In this lesson, we are going to publish our web application to Heroku. At the end of this lesson, you will have your website running in a web address like this, and everyone can access to your website and use your e-commerce website. To get the source code of this lesson, go to the repository and in the comment section, find video 33 published to Heroku. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to publish the web application on Heroku Cloud Server. First of all, we need to create and config node project. What we're gonna do is to create a node project in the root folder. Open your terminal, click on plus, and while you are in the root folder, type npm init to create a new node project. Press enter for questions, and at the end, you will have package.json in the root folder. What I'm gonna do here is to add two commands or scripts in the script section. The first one is build, and what I'm gonna do when I run npm run build is to run these commands. First of all, go to the backend folder, run npm install, then go to the frontend folder, run npm install, and then run npm run build in the frontend folder to create production version of React application inside the build folder in the frontend folder. After this, add another command. It's a start, and what I'm gonna do here is to run server.js in the backend folder using Node. Save the code and go to the server.js in the backend folder. At the very end, before the error handler, I'm gonna add two middlewares. First of all, let's get the directory name from path.resolve. It returns the current directory, and we need to import path from path. Scroll up, get rid of data, and replace it with import path from path. The next step is defining this middleware. What it does is to serve all files inside frontend build folder as a static files. So if you put image, scripts, HTML file inside this folder, will be served by this server. And the last step is gonna be adding this route. For star, it means that everything that user enter after the website domain or server name is gonna be served by this HTML file. For now, we don't have this file because if we go to the frontend folder, there is no build folder inside it. To create build folder, we need to run npm run build in the root folder because it goes to the frontend folder and build frontend project. Save the file here, then open terminal and run npm run build. What it does is to run this command. Press enter. Here is the command. So it goes to the backend folder, run npm install, then go to the frontend folder, run npm install, and at the end, build the React project. It's creating an optimized production build of the React app. Awesome. Let's check the results. Here, inside the frontend folder, we have newly created build folder and we have index.html. Here is the production version of our React app. And this file is gonna be served in the server.js using this line. Great. We have our project ready to publish on Heroku. So let's go for the next step. It's gonna be creating Heroku account. Go to heroku.com, click on sign up for free, enter your name, email, you can enter your company name, role, country, language, check I'm not a robot, and click on create free account. You need to go back to your email. In the input box, you will get a new email from Heroku. Click on it and click on the confirm link. Then enter a new password and click on set password on login. Click here to proceed. Then scroll down, click on accept, and click on create a new app. Set the app name to Mern Amazona, and then you can enter your name or something else to make it unique, and click on create app. We need to connect our heroku account to GitHub. Click on connect to GitHub. Then scroll down, click on connect to GitHub. You will be redirected to the GitHub account. After connecting, entering your email and password and GitHub, you will be redirected to the heroku website. And here you need to enter your repository name. It's Mern Amazona. Click on search and click on connect. So for this lesson, you need to follow the instruction on the lesson creating GitHub account in lesson 3 of this course. And click on connect. Scroll down, click on enable automatic deploys. The next step is gonna be going to the settings section and scroll down, click on reveal config vars and go to the .env file here. Copy JWT secret, paste it here, copy the value. You can make it a secure value. Click on add. Let's add PayPal client ID, paste it here, copy, paste, and click on add. For the last one, the MongoDB URL, copy, but don't enter this address because there is no database locally on the Heroku server. We need to create cloud database using Atlas MongoDB. Go to the account.mongodb.com/account/login and create an account on MongoDB Atlas. I already created an account, so I click on login with Google and select my Google account, and then I will be redirected to cloud.mongodb.com. Here you need to create a cluster. Click on create cluster. If you don't have it, then the cluster 0 is free. And after going to the free cluster, you need to click on browse collections. Then click on create database. Enter the database name to Mern Amazona DB. Copy this and enter test as a collection name. Click on create. Go to the network access. Click on add IP address and enter 0.0.0.0/0 and click on confirm. Then you will have this record here. By having this setting, you can connect to your database from everywhere. Then click on database access. Click on add new database user. Enter the username to Mern Amazona and enter a secure password, the correct one. It's a secure password and click on add user. Great. The next step is gonna be clicking on database, click on connect to your application and copy. Go to the Heroku and for the value, paste it here. Then change my first database to Mern-Amazona-DB. Then go for the password. Make it the password that you created in previous step and change the username to Mern Amazona. It's the username that I created in previous step. Copy this, then go to the .env file and type mongodb URL Atlas. It's the Atlas version and paste it here. After this step, click on add and we are ready to test the application. Go back to the project, stop frontend, stop backend, and only keep your Amazona terminal. What I'm gonna do here is to change it to MongoDB URL, I mean the Atlas database, and change this one to local, get rid of this one, and copy this, Control C, go here and paste it. So what I did is to create a duplicate a .env file inside the root folder of the project. Then run npm start in the root folder and press enter. You will get connected to DB message. Awesome. Control click on this address. As you see, there is no products. Press /API/seed and press enter to create sample products. Click back and refresh. Awesome. We successfully deployed our website on the local computer and it's time to test it on the Heroku. To do that, go to the terminal, stop the project. To publish your website on Heroku, just click on the version control icon, the source control icon, and enter a message. I set the message to video 33, publish to Heroku, and click on commit icon and click on sync changes. Then go to the Heroku, scroll up, click on activities, and here you will see this message, build in progress. Click on view build progress to see all information. As you see, the build command is running now and it starts creating an optimized production build on Heroku, and you need to wait a while to deploy your project. We are getting this message, https mer-amazona-app deployed on Heroku. Copy this link, go to a new tab, paste it and press enter. We have React app because I already ran the API seed in the localhost colon 5000 and it is connected to this database. I have all of my records in the Heroku server too. If I click on sign in, the admin login should work. And I can change it to whatever that I want in the user profile. Awesome. We successfully deployed our web application on Heroku at this address. Let's review what we did in this lesson. In the server.js, we added a middleware to serve all files inside build folder in frontend, and when user enter any address, we redirect user to the index.html. It's the production version of our React app. Also, we created a database on the MongoDB Atlas, and we created an application on the Heroku and connected to the GitHub like this. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.